Because every second matters. This watch displays real-time notifications to stay connected to what's important. Because every second matters, it precisely monitors all your movements, inspiring you to go further. Because every second matters, it regularly monitors heartbeat and lets you know if an irregular rhythm is detected. Because every second matters, it can record a medical-grade electrocardiogram at any time to detect atrial fibrillation and provide valuable data for doctors. Because every second matters, it continuously scans blood oxygen levels during the night to identify breathing disturbances, making sure you breathe easy. ScanWatch. Make every second count.
"400 years ago, the invention of the telescope opened a window on the deep space for all mankind. Since then, technological progress has allowed astronomers to discover other worlds. And nowadays, even the rest of us can easily access the distant reaches of the universe from its backyard.
And voila, it's done. Barely 2 minutes. Now, just have to enjoy the sunset and wait for the dark. And now, this is where technology meets the magic.
We are living on a planet that travels through space at 30 kilometers per second and is rotating on itself. For this reason, trying to catch something that is light years away and is invisible to the naked eyes can be a real challenge. You have to deal with polar alignment, pointing, tracking, focusing. Stellina is the first telescope of its kind that handles all those tasks for you and can be controlled with your smartphone or tablet. With zero skill, you can get in touch with distant galaxies in minutes. But there's more. It's also the first of its generation to integrate a high sensitivity sensor which sends right on your device an image in vibrant colors of what you're pointing at. Stellina operates according to a technique used by experienced astrophotographers, consisting in taking several long exposures and stacking them to enhance the details, the sharpness and the clarity of the image. Proceeding this way usually requires a steep learning curve to master astrophotography and image processing software techniques. Yet, Stellina does it automatically and in live. While Stellina keeps collecting the light to get the best picture, you just have to get comfortable under the stars, enjoying the celestial show, looking out for shooting stars, and then imagine what could be the next destination of your space odyssey.
Imagine a future where one day machine learning will give you the power to track your sleep. Imagine...
Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes? Can I help you?
Yeah, this already does that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
Okay, let's try this again. It's all right, I'll start again. Imagine one day a tiny device with an optical sensor will send you an alert if your heart rate is too low. Yes? What?
It already does that.
What? Oh, okay. Well, how about we'll send you an alert if your heart rate is too high?
It already does that!
All right, let's try something new. We'll send you an alert if you're someplace that's too loud.
I just received one of those alerts.
Really? Well, you should probably find a quieter place, sir.
You should probably mind your own business.
Ugh. Okay, imagine one day in the future...
Hold on.
No, let me finish.
1 second.
You'll be able to take an ECG.
It already does that.
It already does that.
I heard that.
Good. What about continuously track your elevation? Does it do that?
Does that.
Right, got it.
Does that.
Thank you.
Does that.
Yep, heard it the first time. Encourages you to stay fit.
Does that.
Okay, I get it. You're fit. I don't know. Will it automatically call 911 if a bear chases you off a cliff and you take a hard fall? Huh?
Yeah, already does that.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
You gotta be kidding me. Okay. I got it. Let's go from the top. Imagine a day, a future. Imagine a future. One day, tiny device, blah, 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 that uses red and infrared light to measure your blood oxygen level. Yes? What? No. Don't you dare say it. I'm sorry, I can't hear you! Very cute. Well, that was fun.
The ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the Superstrata, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our Superstrata bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD-educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts, and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial-grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the Superstrata more impact resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the Superstrata is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Hi, I'm Wiener Mondesir, the CTO and co-founder of Superstrata. Carbon fiber bikes have been around for decades. They're known for being lightweight and beautiful. Unfortunately, they're also known for being fragile. One hit and your $10,000 bike, it's in pieces. We've solved that. Our engineers have built a unibody carbon fiber frame that's ultra strong and light. But don't take my word for it. Here's two-time Olympian and world record holder, Sky Christopherson.
To have a carbon bike that's light, but also really tough, is like a dream come true.
Hi, I'm Sunny Vu, CEO for Superstrata. To make the Superstrata possible, we've brought together an incredible team of materials specialists, scientists, engineers, designers. Our designer, Bill Stevens, he's an award-winning designer who's designed bikes like the ones that have won the Tour de France. Our team has shipped millions of units of products in the past, so I am confident we can deliver above your expectations. We just need your support to make this happen, so reserve your custom Superstrata today.
Need to collaborate as a team, but you're not all together? Perhaps to come up with a video about video conferencing? You should use the smartest video conferencing technology. The Meeting Owl is easy to set up, connects to any conferencing software, and the 360 camera and microphone capture the entire room, so everyone can feel fully present, even if they're not. You get a panoramic view, and the Meeting Owl automatically focuses on who's talking.
Here's my perspective.
And my perspective over here.
So everyone can share their ideas, no matter where they're coming from. Even me. What if I narrate the video from home? Great. So that's our video. That was easy.